The latest in the Colgate saga of one-upmanship, the Congress has dragged in BJP, and this time it is dragged in Nitin Gadkari's aide. Gadkari aide Sancheti got Chhattisgarh coal blocks, is what has been claimed by the Congress. Now, the Congress claims the blocks were given on BJP's government's insistence. Sancheti's firm was outsider to Chhattisgarh, and his firm has not begun operation yet. Well, this is the latest that we are breaking right now in the one-upmanship where the Congress and BJP and the entire Colgate saga is concerned. The latest salvo fired by the Congress dragging in Nitin Gadkari's aide Sancheti there, that his kin were allotted coal blocks and even they are not operational. Clearly, the Congress turning tables. Javed Ansari, our political editor, in the newsroom with us. Javed, coming right on the back of what's happened with Mr. Darda there, the Congress now turning the tables on the BJP and dragging in Nitin Gadkari's aide.
Yes, this has been spoken about, whispered and speculated about for quite some time, not just amongst Congress circles, but across the political class. And this pertains to a coal block which was originally allocated to the Chhattisgarh Mineral Development Corporation by the BJP government, which is owned by a BJP MP, Ajay Sancheti, and he's said to be a close associate of Mr. Nitin Gadkari. If the Congress leaders are to be believed, they allege they haven't done it formally, and therefore, we can't take ownership for it. But there is speculation that Mr. Gadkari is probably has shares in that company.
So very quickly, it's a vindication for what the other parties like the left have been saying all along, that in both parties, Congress and the BJP, have enough skeletons of their own to hide. Indeed,
and this is not just the first case, because we know for sure, and we've broken those things. We've shown those letters on our channel that Vasundhara Raje Scindia and Raman Singh, the Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh, they had written to the central government saying that there should not be an option, and the government should continue to allocate. So, both sides, all state governments, and the point is, given the procedure, you cannot allocate without the concurrence or knowledge of state government. So both sides are complicit.
All right, the political editor Javed Ansari breaking that news and headlines today. Thank you for joining us. We, of course, leave it at that. Would be getting back to you for further updates.